And now we'll move to the next element, or properly to say the next phase, which is metal. So can you draw metal for us?
Yes. And metal, which is also the character for gold, this time I'll draw it in a different way of writing, which is kind of the carving style. Because before the brush was invented, they used to carve the characters in wood or also in metal, iron, bronze, so you can see the movement of the knife. Okay? Now, even though it's a pictograph, it didn't change much. It contains a few parts. It contains the earth, because actually we take the metal from within the earth, and then it contains the sparkling of the gold or silver or metal, and it has also the roof that was built, or they used metal for the tiles and the roof itself. So this is metal, and it is as well stable in some way, but it's also sharp, and it does have the energy of going up. And this is the metal. Today, it's not much different. Again, in calligraphy, we start from top to bottom. This is metal today. Very sharp, like the emperor used to write. And since this is also a character that symbolizes sharpness, then if I want to do it young, I will do it very sharp, like the sword, like a needle. So it can be. This is emphasizing the sharpness of it, not the strength of it, because this character doesn't go on to war. It is there, and because it's so sharp and clear, maybe this is its strength.